I'm at the Pickle, you feel me? I picked up a real bag, you feel me? I picked up the best chicken, you feel me? On La Brea, you feel me? Tell your mama, your sister, and your brother, you feel me?
I'm out of here at 10, so I'll grab something.
Bomb. Fire right here. Quality.
I'm over here at the Pickle Chicken in the heart of Hollywood. You know, every single day they're here, I get that Daredevil chicken. It's the hottest chicken on the block.
So we got the Pickle Chicken right over here. Best hot chicken in town. Like, we season our fries, some of the best seasoning ever. Late night hot chicken, open 3 a.m. so you cut the club, out with your friends, smoking, whatever you want. You know, we're gonna be open 3 in the morning. Best chicken in town. Really recommend if you guys come through.